Namaste, welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Bagara Baingan is a popular Hyderabadi dish, also known as Hyderabadi Baingan. It is made with small eggplants that are cooked in a rich masala curry. Hyderabadi Baingan is the perfect dish to serve to guests with a sophisticated palate because of the mixture of nutty spices. This recipe will serve for to make Hyderabadi Bagara Baingan we will need. I am using 12 small eggplants. They are also known as Indian eggplant. So I have cut the top and then slit them in four. Don't cut all the way through. If you don't find this, you can use the Japanese baingan and slice them in lengthwise. We are using this because they don't get mushy. They are a little bit firm than the other eggplants. We need 2 tablespoons of oil to stir fry the eggplants. For dry spice mix, we need 2 tablespoons of coconut powder, gola, about 10 cashews broken, kaju, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, til, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, dhania, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, mathi. For gravy, we need 1.5 cup of chopped tomatoes. I have used 2 tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of asafetida, half a teaspoon of turmeric, haldi, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, namak, 1 teaspoon of sugar, chini, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, lal mirch, and about 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. First I will grind the dry spice mix. So put all these spices in the grinder. And then grind it into the powder. Dry spice mix is ready. It's very fine. Now I am going to puree the tomatoes for the gravy. Tomatoes and ginger. I have dry spice mix ready and tomato puree is ready. So now I am going to stir fry the eggplants. Heat is on medium. So first I will put the oil. Put all these eggplants. Keep stirring occasionally these eggplants till they are tender. They shouldn't be overly cooked because we are going to cook this also with gravy. Eggplants are nicely roasted. As you see, it has got very nice color, but they are not very mushy. They are just soft and tender. It has taken me about 8 minutes over low medium heat, and I am using the heavy pan. It does work better. So it's time to take them out. Eggplants are ready, and now I am going to use the same pan to make the gravy. So heat is on low medium. First I will add the oil, mustard seed. As you see, they cracked right away. Asafetida, turmeric, red chili powder, and the dry spice mix. Stir fry for about a minute. So spices are cooked really well. and it has a very nice aroma. The spice mix is ready. It has cooked really well. So now I am going to add the tomato paste, salt and sugar. I forgot to tell you about one very important ingredient, that's a tamarind paste. So I have soaked about 1-inch ball of tamarind in hot water and then squeezed it. So this is a 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. Cook again this for about a minute till you see it has start leaving the oil from all the sides. So you can see the oil all around. I will add about half a cup of water. Mix it, and I think about half a cup more. And now we are going to add all the eggplants. Turn them around gently. Cover the pan and let it cook 7 to 8 minutes, but in between do stir it. So this has been about 10 minutes. I did stir couple of times in between, and eggplants are looking ready. I'm just going to add some cilantro to give them the color. And they are ready to serve. Baghari Baingan is ready. It's very aromatic and looking great. Today I am playing cards with my friends, so I will serve this with roti. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try. Please leave a like and comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so that you don't miss out on my future recipes. Thank you. Enjoy.